Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is another reaction video. I'm gonna be reacting to SanFrezco. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong, but let's do this.
Oh, what's that noise?
What noise?
Oh, that's my noise.
I didn't hear noise.
Are you okay? I thought you fell.
Want to see me naked?
It sounds like you slipped or something and you have a second on you.
Oh, no.
Yeah?
Get your hair dying.
Alright.
He's just setting up. Just setting up. Oh. Okay. So that's what he's doing to it. Oh my god. How are you gonna turn out? Oh my god. That's a lot of powder.
Hey! Nick, turn the freaking light on! Nick, that's not funny! Turn the light on! Hey, really? Please turn the light on! That's not funny!
She always does this to me. Every time I'm in the shower, she grabs these ugly Crocs and she does this right here all the time. Hey, yo, dumbass, don't got no rag now.
What?
Now your ass don't got no rag.
You got the rain!
Good night.
Nick, that's not funny. Seriously, turn the light on. I can't get out. I'm wet. Oh my gosh. Turn the freaking light on. I see you.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
How long is it?
Get out.
Good night.
Put it in full screen.
Are you fucking serious, Nick? Are you fucking kidding me?
It's like a suck
That is not
talking.
even fucking funny.
Oh, yeah, you
Oh
like
my
this.
god.
You gotta get back in that shower. Right?
Oh.
Oh my god.
That sucks.
Oh. Are you fucking serious? I can't get my eyes.
Oh, man. Oh, no.
Oh my god, like a sandstorm in here.
Brag.
That's not even fucking funny, Nick. Oh my gosh.
Oh my. Yeah,
I'm gonna make you look like a chocolate.
Oh man, look at the camera.
You're so freaking dumb, Nick.
Oh no way. You gotta get back in that shower. That sucks.
Damn.
That damn
Let me get this powder off. Ooh. Powder donut girl. How's it going?
You're so next.
I'm next.
Yeah, I have more in there.
Stop.
I have a lot more in there. See?
Stop.
I'm gonna get you. You better run.
Stop. Stop, man. I just cleaned off the camera.
Have more.
Hashtag powder donut girl.
Yeah, you're about to be
Everybody in the
a
comments.
chocolate powder donut in a second.
Hashtag
Oh my
Donut
You're
God.
about to be a chocolate powder donut.
Dumbass. You're gonna electrocute yourself.
Yeah, don't come in here. Don't come in here, scaredy cat.
Ain't no more powder in there anyway, so it don't even really matter.
So you look like a powdered chocolate donut right now.
Not like that though.
So that's the end of the video. That was pretty funny. I'm subscribed to this guy. He's just been falling off, but this is a good prank. I'm gonna be doing more reaction videos. Make sure you stay tuned. Doing more videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to get updated on my new videos. I guess I'll see you next time. Peace.